Good morning, my dear students. Good morning, my dear students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine at home. I am Rasmi Rekha Panda from Bapuji Government UP School, Dhenkanal. I welcome you all the students of Odisha to this online YouTube live streaming virtual class of class 7 English. Today we have to write a small paragraph on self. You have to write a small paragraph on yourself of worksheet 21. Okay, my dear students. In the previous lesson, you have already known how to introduce yourself. Now, look at the screen how a student introduces herself in the class. There is a classroom, a teacher and students. Now, a girl comes to the front of the class and introduces herself. Look at the screen. I am Pinky. I am from Dhenkanal. I am in class 7. I am 12. I read in BB High School, Dhenkanal. Now, look at me, how I introduce myself. I am Rasmi Rekha Panda. I am 47 years old. I am a teacher. I go to Bapuji Government EP School. My father's name is Mr. Muralidhar Panda and my mother's name is Mrs. Santilata Panda. Okay, my dear students. Now, look at the screen. There is a tiger. Oh, tiger. What do you want to say? Yes, a tiger also want to introduce itself. Now, look at the screen. I am a tiger. I am the national animal of India. I am a tiger. I am the national animal of India. I am brave. I live in the forest. Okay, my dear students. Now, come to the, oh, peacock. Oh, you also want to introduce yourself. Look at the picture. There is a peacock. It also want to introduce itself. I am peacock. I am the national bird of India. Bharatar Jatiya Pakhi na Mayura. I have colorful feathers. I am big and beautiful. People stop a while to see me while I am dancing. आम जो देखे ना चिड़ियाखाना कौट देखते मयूर आम टे अटकी जाए से नाचु थाए ना पुछ मेलिकी आउ थे करता कि आम आउ थे देखते कि एमती ठिया जाए टे पीपल स्टॉप ए व्हाइल टू सी मी व्हाइल आई एम डांसिंग. ओके, नेक्स्ट कम टू द, oh, there is a doctor also. He also want to introduce himself. I am Dr. Akash Sharma. I am a doctor. I treat the patients. से कौन करती रोगी मान को चिकित्सा करती. I treat the patients. I am working in a hospital. Oh, farmer, you also want to introduce yourself. I am Amar Raul. I am a farmer. I am working in a farm. से जने कृषक से कोठी काम करती, से खेत रे काम करती. I am working in a farm. People depend upon me for their food. लोक माने तांको खाद्य पई मो पर ही निर्भर करती. Okay, my dear students. Now there is a paragraph for you. Open your book at page number 45. There is a paragraph for you. Okay. Now read with me. I am Aditi. This paragraph about your friend. I am Aditi. I am 9 years old. Mr. Arun Das is my father. Mrs. Anima Das is my mother. I read in Nandan Kanan Government High School, Bhubaneswar. Now read with me again. I am Aditi. I am 9 years old. Mr. Arun Das is my father. Mrs. Anima Das is my mother. I read in Nandan Kanan Government High School, Bhubaneswar. Now, I am going to ask you some questions. Read the paragraph again. Read the paragraph silently. I am going to ask you some questions. Okay, my dear students. What is the name of her? See, झियोटीर नाम कौन थिला? What is the name of her? Yes, her name is Aditi. How old is she? Look at the paragraph. How old is she? She is 9 years old. She is 9 years old. What is her father's name? Yes. What is her father's name? Yes, her father's name is Mr. Arun Das. What is her mother's name? Yes, Mrs. Anima Das is her mother. Okay. What is the name of her school? Yes, the name of her school is Nandan Kanan Government High School, Bhubaneswar. Okay, my dear students. Now, there is a format for you. My name. You have to open your copy and write the format. Activity 2, filling of a form. This format, you have to fill in the format. My name, my age, my father's name. My father's name, my mother's name, name of my school, name of my school. And now you have to write here your name, your age, your father's name, your mother's name and name of your school. Please write down and fill in the form here, fill in the form in your book also. Yes? Now, over? Now, yes, your name please. Yes, your name is Rishi. Your name is Rishi. Suppose your name is Rishi. Yes, your age? Yes, your age is 12. You have to write in this way. You have to write your name, your age and your father's name. Mr. Avani Raut. Mr. Avani Raut and Mrs. Kalpana Raut. And name of school, yes, BB High School. BB High School, Denkanal. Okay. Now, you have to write your name, your age, your father's name, your mother's name and name of your school. You have to fill in the format of your book, page number 45, activity 2. Now, can we put your name, your age, your father's name, your mother's name, the name of your school into the paragraph? Okay, my dear students, now can you put your name, your age, your father's name, your mother's name and the name of your school into the paragraph? Now, let us write the paragraph. The paragraph, first the paragraph is I am Aditi. First write down the paragraph. I am Aditi. I am 9 years old. I am 9 years old. I am 9 years old. Mr. Arun Das is my father. Mr. Arun Das is my father. Okay, Mrs. Anima Das is my mother. Mrs. Anima Das is my mother. I go to Nandan Kanan Government High School. I go to Nandan Kanan I go to Nandan Kanan Government High School. Bhubaneswar. Now you have to write your name here. Now look at me. How I write my name here. How I write my name here. Okay. Now I am. You have to write in your copy. I am Rasmi. Okay. I am 9 years old. I have to write here. I am 47 years old. Now look at me how I change the paragraph into mine. I am Rasmi. I am 47 years old. Mr. Muralidhar Panda Mr. Muralidhar Panda is my father. Mrs. Santilata Panda is my mother. I go to Nandan Kanan Government High School. Yes, I go to Bapuji Government UP School. I go to Bapuji Government UP School, Dhinkana. Now read the paragraph with me. I am Rasmi. I am 47 years old. Mr. Muralidhar Panda is my father. Mrs. Santilata Panda is my mother. I go to Bapuji Government UP School, Dhenkanal. Now you have to write here. In step 3. In step 3, you have to write your name. Please write down it. Now, I am your name, please. Yes. Here there is I read in. Next last line को नहीं आसबे प्लीज एटा को लास्ट लाइन प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक अछि एटा को लास्ट लाइन को नहीं आसबे I read in their school. Okay. Now please write down it now. You have to fill in the format. Okay. Then now you have to fill in the blanks. Step 3, write a small paragraph about yourself. Okay, my dear students. Now there is a conversation between Roshan and Shipra. There is a conversation between Roshan and Shipra. Shipra, look at the conversation. Shipra, what is your name? Then second को देखो, I am Roshan and you. Okay. झेटी कौन कहला? I am Shipra. How old are you? से कौन कहती देख आई एम 12 एंड यू तुमको मते मते 12 वर्ष और तुमको केते वर्ष से कौन कहला देख आई एम 11 व्हेयर आर यू फ्रॉम कौन तुम रोच से कौन कही देख आई एम फ्रॉम पुरी मु पुरी रहे एंड यू आई एम फ्रॉम पुरी एंड यू लुक एट देयर कन्वर्सेशन गोटे वार्तालाप तांका भितर होची आई एम फ्रॉम ढेंकानाल व्हिच स्कूल डू यू गो टू तुम को स्कूल जाऊ देन द बॉय इज आंसरिंग आई गो टू सेंट जावियर हाई स्कूल पुरी आई गो टू सेंट जावियर हाई स्कूल पुरी एंड यू तुम कौटी जाऊ से कौन कह देख आई गो टू बीबी हाई स्कूल ढेंकानाल मु बीबी हाई स्कूल जाऊँ व्हिच क्लास आर यू इन झीटी कहूँ आई एम इन क्लास 6 एंड यू कोटी कौन कह देख आई एम इन क्लास 7 नाउ can you continue this conversation we can continue in the previous class you have already known I like mangoes and you okay my favorite color is red and yours my favorite film is mera naam Joker and yours in this way we can extend the conversation my favorite film my favorite actor my favorite food my favorite fruit my favorite vegetable my favorite curry in this way I extend their conversation now can we rewrite the paragraph about Roshan please now write the paragraph about Roshan how we write not only on yourself but also on your friends also how we write about Roshan when we write about Roshan we have to write he is Roshan we have to write he is Roshan yes here he is 12 years old now his father's name is Arun Mishra Mr. Arun Mishra is my father not my father this is his father you can write a paragraph also your own friends Mr. Arun Mishra is his father and Mrs. Rosalind Mishra is his mother he goes to LM High School Dhenkanal LM High School he goes to LM High School Dhenkanal in this way we can also write a paragraph on Shipra yes what you have to write here you have to write first read the paragraph about your friend Roshan he is 12 years old you have to change here you have to change he is 12 years old Mr. Arun Mishra is his father Mrs. Rosalind Mishra is his mother he goes to LM High School Dhenkanal now you can also write a paragraph on Shipra also yes how we write on Shipra now look at me yes you have to write here write the paragraph on your copy please now you have to write about Shipra she is Shipra you have to write she here you have to write she is Shipra in English sentence there are two boundaries Here each sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Okay, my dear students. And when you write another sentence, you have to begin with a capital letter. There are two boundaries: begin with a capital letter, ends with a full stop. Okay. He is, see, here you have to you have to write C. About Shipra, she is 11 years old. She is 11 years old. Mr. Akash Raul is not his father, this is her father. Mr. Akash Raul is her father. Okay, my dear students, Mrs. Lina Raul is her mother. Here you have to write C. She goes to KP High School, Dhenkanal. Okay, my dear students. Sorry, the school thila BB High School. Shipra school thila BB High School, Dhenkanal. Now, there is a paragraph. Now, how I extend the paragraph? Look at the screen. Read with me. I am Aditi. I am 9 years old. Mr. Arun Das is my father. Mrs. Anima Das is my mother. I read in Nandan Kanan Government High School, Bhubaneswar. I am in class 4. You have to write here 4. Class 4, you have to write IV, but you have to say class 4, not IV. I am in class IV, not IV. VII, not. You have to write. You have to say I am in class 4. I am in class 5. I am in class 6. You have to say 6, but write VI. In class 7, you have to write VII, but you have to say class 7. I am in class 7. I am in class 4. My favorite color is blue. Now we extend the paragraph. My favorite color is blue. I like mango. I like to play carom. My favorite food is biryani. Again read with me. I am Aditi. Can you write? Now can you extend the paragraph in your copy? I am Aditi. I am 9 years old. Mr. Arun Das is my father. Mrs. Anima Das is my mother. I read in Nandan Kanan Government High School, Bhubaneswar. I am in class 4. My favorite color is blue. I like mango. I like to play carom. My favorite food is biryani. Now, can you extend the paragraph in this way? Yes, add something. Yes. My favorite film. You have to make an album of your own. You can paste a photograph of your friend, paste a photograph of yourself and write something about you, write a paragraph about you. Then paste a photograph of your friends, and you can also write about your friends, he is Amar, name something. Okay, my dear students, then about your friends, then about your teachers, about anyone. Now you can able to write something, a short paragraph about yourself, about your friends, about your teachers. Now, you can add something, etc. I like to play carom, my favorite food is biryani, then my favorite film is Mera Naam Joker, my favorite game is carom. Okay. Now, here we have to extend this. Now, you can extend the paragraph. She is Shipra. How you write about your friend? She is Shipra. She is 11 years old. Mr. Akash Raul is her father. Mrs. Lina Raul is her mother. She goes to BB High School, Dhenkanal. Now, extend herself. She likes it. Look at the verb. She likes. I like, but she likes. He likes. She likes से कौन बेसी भल पाए अंगूर भल पाए सी लाइक्स ग्रेप्स सी लाइक्स यू कैन एक्सटेंड इन दिस वे सी लाइक्स ग्रेप्स सी लाइक्स रोजेस को फूल भल पाए सी लाइक्स रोजेस सी लाइक्स लुडू ताको लुडू खेलिया को भल पाए से लुडू खेलिया भल पाए सी लाइक्स लुडू देन हर फेवराइट हियर यू हैव टू राइट हर फेवराइट फूड इज रोटी एंड चिकेन ताको रोटी चिकेन भल लगे हर फेवराइट फूड इज रोटी एंड चिकेन her favorite color please write it in your copy her favorite color is green taku green color bhal lage you can make a conversation with your friend and you know his likes his dislikes his favorite film his favorite color then you can write a paragraph about himself or herself okay my dear students her favorite color is green. Her favorite actor is Amitabh Bachchan. You know his likes, his dislikes. In this way, you can extend. You can write also a page on himself or herself. Okay, my dear students. Now, read the paragraph again. See this Shipra. Now look. You can write so many lines. You can write so many lines. You can. Yes, you can write. See the Shipra. She is 11 years old. Mr. Akash Raul is her father. Mrs. Leena Raul is her mother. She goes to BB High School, Dhenkanal. She likes grapes. Se angur bahut bhal pae. She likes grapes. She likes roses. Ko phulo bhal lage? Se bhal pae golap phulo. She likes roses. She likes ludo kheliya ko se pasand kare. She likes ludo. Her favorite food is roti and chicken. Sorry, roti. Roti and chicken. This is roti. Roti and chicken. Her favorite color is green. Her favorite color is green. Her favorite actor is Amitabh Bachchan. You can extend. Her favorite actress, her favorite anything you can write. His likes, her likes, her dislikes. You can add. You can extend in this way. Now, can you write? Now, can you write the paragraph? You write the paragraph and show it to your teacher, and homework, there is a homework for you. You write something about your friend, about your best friend. You write something about your best friend. Now, I have already said you can make an album of your own. Here you have to paste a photograph of your friend, your teachers, about anyone, any actor, about any cricket player. Okay. Then you have to write, you have to say something. You have to paste a photograph of Modi. Then he is Narendra Damodar Das Modi. He is our Prime Minister. His age, his father's name, his mother's name. You can write something. Okay, my dear students. And thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.